So yes, guys, I recommend you look up the videos of the Australian sparrow hook. I thought it was a cockerel, guys. And we have Petunia's gone now, guys. We have Queen, we have Panchito, and we have another boy, guys, that comes here. Queen's partner. Right, this is Queen. You can hear Petunia in the background, guys. That's her. And can you hear Petunia, guys? Now this is Queen and her partner. And this is Panchito, who Petunia has left here. That's the girl, guys. That's the girl. That's an alarm call for all the residents of Daisy Hill. I'm in town. Now get the food ready, and that's the pigeon that's always close to where Petunia is, because he eats the crumbs that Petunia leaves behind. So yeah. You saw they went up.